a hill by Mount Baldy, where the cool breezes blow. I've got my Hot Wheels and my trains in a row, a golden Lamborghini and a truck I can drive. Being 5 years old is the best way to thrive. I draw my big house with my hand in yours. Sisters Emma and Emily playing indoors. Mom's on one side and Dad's on the other. A home full of love for a son and a brother. Home, home, sweet, sweet home. School, school, lovely school. Everything I've got, I love it all. From the mountain high to the garden wall. In my singing, in my drawing, in my head, I've got a world of magic before I go to bed. We're planning a treehouse way up in the sky, with Bryan the pilot who knows how to fly. Mateo starts pre-K when the leaves turn to brown, while the stars and the dragons look over our town. I don't need to watch the night sky to know that the star dragon Scorpius is starting to show. I remember the pool where we used to splash free, and the orcas and dolphins down by the sea. We remember Sparky, we miss him today, but in my imagination the fish dragons play. Two dragons dancing in the pond in the back, defending our home from a monster attack. Even though Dad's working in San Diego today, he's right here in my heart while I run and I play. Home, home, sweet, sweet home. School, school, lovely school. Everything I've got, I love it all. From the mountain high to the garden wall. In my singing, in my drawing, in my head, I've got a world of magic before I go to bed. Water, Walter, watermelon, vibes to the moon. Magic melons growing, I'll see you all soon. I've got everything, and I've got a song in Elon's sweet home, where we all